chicken pot pie. Start out with phyllo pastry on the bottom and some chicken. I use chicken thighs. Add your veggies. Add your seasoning like Just Giver. Now we pour on that home-style gravy. Fresh made using the juices from the crock pot. This is the flavor saver right here. Top it off with a top sheet of phyllo pastry. Now we're going to get into that murderous vibe. Don't forget to poke holes on the top. Get that knife going through, give it some breathing space. Now we lather it in butter because you know butter makes everything better. Another shot of Just Giver over the top. And into the oven we go. 375 degrees for 45 minutes. Bam! Look at that. Phyllo pastry is nice and flaky. Gravy's boiling over. This is how you throw down and get this recipe for my